Howdy everybody, welcome back to Keith 60 Hotshot Adventures. We're on the road. It's Saturday here in Northern Ohio. We got our 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door with the inline 6 motor in it. It's going up here to Michigan, short little drive. Getting it done early this morning before we got done with some weather coming in that I don't want to be on the road for after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Just want to have a quick chat about how the Ram is doing. We got, I'll say about 7,000. Trailers about 3. The cars maybe 4,000. Yeah, we're just cruising along here. When I'm towing with, I got the, of course, I got the 6.4 Hemi with the 6-speed transmission, and I got 373 gears. I usually either run a tow haul or I manually lock it out in 5th gear. Tow haul will do the same thing. It locks you in 5th gear only. You don't go to 6th. The only difference is if you're in tow haul, it'll hold the gears longer if it shifts, or if you're slowing down, you get a little bit of engine braking assistance. But overall, I'd say the Ram's doing well. You know, I mean, I come from towing with diesels, and I can't complain about how the gasser's doing. I find that as long as I run in 5th gear at 72 miles an hour, I average about 12, which is not too bad. I can live with that. That's acceptable. I want to make a quick update video. Oh, the other update for this one was I got those timbrens. So far, the truck rides a little bit stiffer unloaded because there's only like an inch before they get engaged. Now, if you want more space between them, you can get a hold of a timbren company, and you can tell them what you want, and then they can recommend a different product, or they can custom make you a timbren, so you have more or less space between the bump stop and the timbren. And no, I'm not running the extra puck spacer, which then I would definitely be riding on them the entire time. But I can't complain, it's a truck. I'm not looking for a soft, cushy ride. He's worked great. I can't complain. I do have airbags on my 1-ton Chevy. They work great too. It's just I don't have the fancy system on there where it's auto leveling, or you can just push a button and set the air pressure to adjust your ride height and pressure in the bags. I have to manually go and use an air compressor and air them up and air them down, which is why in this case for this truck, I didn't want to deal with all that. I just wanted to hook up a trailer because I've got constantly varying weights. I just didn't want to have to deal with all that. Just want to hook and go. Timbrens kick in when I get some weight on there, and it's fine. Right now I'm sitting on the timbren, and the ride's really no different than when I'm riding empty at this point. I don't feel like it's too jarring or anything like that. Now maybe it would be different if I had like a 5th wheel that weighs 20,000 pounds and I'm really pushing some weight. Then yeah, maybe I might ride differently. But right now, I got no complaints about how everything is set up and working. If I did it again, I would probably have tried to get the 410 gears, but in my case, for my area, it wasn't happening. I was searching for quite a while, and I just couldn't find exactly what I was looking for with the 410 gears. So I can always, later on down the road, I can spend the money and just get their gears swapped out and just go to a shop, and I don't feel like doing that work. And just get a new set of gears, 410s or 456s installed, and then it'll be a tow monster. But think any of my, now that I think of it, I don't think any of my diesels have 410s in them either. I think my Ford's a maybe 392 maybe. I think my Chevy's maybe the same 392, it might be less. But yeah, just a vlog. We're just on the road here, we got a couple hours. And we'll check in.